Let me see the FRT. She ain't about to get the FRT.
Nice, what?
Hot potato.
Is there one in the head? There's not. Is this on fire?
It's on you.
Me? What you mean it's on me? Is this bitch on soup? It's just automatically? That bitch shot ready, baby. You took it off. No, you didn't.
Oh!
What?
Let me shoot that bitch. Yo.
What?
That bitch got that fuego, cuz.
Bro, all I see was flash. All I see was flash.
His ass got excited.
What?
Professional gunsmith. Who this right now?
Oh, hell no, you being a thug.
FRTZ.BRT. Come shop right there. Oh, it was so fucking bad.